Welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce Marketplace Store Pickup Locator plugin, and in today's video tutorial I'll be showing you the workflow of this particular plugin at the WooCommerce Marketplace web store front end, and thereafter we'll be showing you how the plugin can be initially configured before using the same, and how the marketplace vendors for the WooCommerce Marketplace web store can add their stores within the marketplace itself, and how they can add different physical stores along with their respective store addresses, zip code, store contact number, and more. Apart from that, the sellers can even assign products and their quantities to the different stores that they have created. And on the other hand, the customers can search for the stores using the city name or the zip code, and can choose any store for store pickup service, and can also see the navigational directions for reaching out to the store by entering their particular zip code. So let's go to the front end first, or the storefront first, for the WooCommerce based marketplace web store by Webkul, and let's see how this particular plugin, that's the WooCommerce marketplace store pickup locator, works at the storefront. So I'll just tap here on the live demo. Right now I'm at the storefront, and I've just tapped here on the store option within the header, and the users or the customers can basically search the store locations for the particular sellers by entering the city, state, or the full address here, and setting up the search radius within which the pickup stores will be available. Apart from that, we also have a Google map to display the outlets on the map, and after searching we can also visit any of the particular outlets by checking and navigating to that particular outlet using this particular plugin. So for example, if I enter New York here, New York, and if I choose that up, and then I set the radius as 900 kilometers, then I tap here on the search store, and now if I scroll down, you can see we have two different outlets that are available here. And if I scroll down more, then you can see there are two what we say as the outlet stores, along with their telephone numbers and the location address. Apart from that, you can see a visit store button, and we also have a make it your store location if you want to make that particular outlet as your personal store, so that you can access it anytime to make the purchases. Otherwise uh, you can also leave that up. So the other one is 114 kilometers away. So if I tap here in the visit store, you can tap it here on, or open it in another window as well. For the time being, I'll be just opening it in another window. So the customers can search for your store locations, and by entering the country, the state, and the zip code, then setting up the search radius and tapping the search box, and that displays all of the available outlet stores within that particular radius, along with the details and the option to visit the store. So this is how we can visit the store. Along with the store, here we have the address and the contact number of the store, and we have the find us option here as well, and we can get the directions as well. So for example, if I enter New York and tap here on the go, then the Google map will be populated. That will navigate us to this particular outlet that is there that we want to make use of. So here you can see that we have New Jersey, and we're in New York right now. So we can navigate through this particular what we say as the navigation line, and can access that particular outlet and can make a purchase from there as well, or we can pick up our already placed order as well, and if the inventory is available within that particular outlet. So that's how we can easily navigate to the outlets as well. So that was in the visit store section. Now if I go back, and we also have this make it your store. If I tap that up, we will have to update our store, and then tap here on the OK button to make this particular store at New Jersey as your own store for making the pickups for your orders. So that's how the customers can search for your store locations from the storefront. Now let's log into the vendor panel, and let's see how the vendors would be able to create multiple store outlets, and how they can assign the products to them. So for that, I'll just type in. So I'll just enter my username and the password for my vendor account and tap on the login button. On the left hand side, we have the marketplace account options, and here we'll tap on the stores option so as to create and manage the stores. And here you can find a complete list of stores that the vendor has already created, along with the title, logo, latitude and the longitude, and the status and the actions column as well. So from under the actions column, you can edit any of the created stores and you can delete them as well. So for example, we have this store at Brazil. If I tap here on the delete button, tap OK on the prompt, this store is deleted successfully. So now you can see we only have two stores left. Now to add a new one, just tap here on the add new store button, and that brings up the section wherein you'll be able to set up the store's info, like the store title, the description, the contact number. You can set up the contact number as well. You can also add a logo for your outlet, the physical outlet, by tapping on the upload image, and you can set up your address, and you can also enter your street address, like I can choose it as California, and that automatically enters the latitude and the longitude as well. So then you can set up your city, your state, province, your zip code, your country, and you can set up to enable or disable the particular store that you have, and then just tap here on the save store button. So you can see that the store has been created. Now if I tap here on these stores, you'll be able to see the new one that we have created. That's the test one, along with the latitude, longitude, and the status as enabled. Right now we haven't added any of the logos, so it's empty right now. To edit, just tap here on the edit button for the particular store, and you can make the changes as well. So if you want to upload or change the address, you can do that up. You can also disable it and then tap here on the update store button. Now after we've saved a particular what do you say as the store, now how we can add the products, right? So let me come back and let's tap here on the edit. And now after you've saved the store, you'll have this particular assign product list button at the top, just above the store title. So if I tap here on the assign product list, you can see that right now the list is not available because we haven't added any of the products to the respective outlets that we have created. So to add products to the particular outlets, so to add the products to our outlets, I'll just navigate as a vendor to my product section for my marketplace vendor account options, and from here we can add any of the products to that particular outlet that we have created. So for that, you just need to tap here on the edit button. You can also do the same for a new product as well, and after opening the edit product page, you'll just need to navigate to the last tab, that's the assign product tab, and from here you can assign the stores to the same, and you can set up the store the store that you have at different locations. According to the locations, you can set up the stock for each of your uh, physical stores that you've created. And similarly, here you can see that we have the new Mexico stock, the Florida stock. To add more stores, you can just tap here, and that brings up the list of the outlets that you've created, and this one is the one that we just tried to create. And here also we can set up the stock for the same, and we can change the details. So for the new stock, new outlet, that's the test 1879, we can enter the stock for the same, and then tap here on the update button. Now if we go back to the stores section, for example, but before that, let me add a new product and let me show you how we can do that. So a new product can also be assigned to the outlet. So for that, just tap here on the add product button, choose your category, choose your product type, tap next, set up your product name, the rest of the basic details that are there, and after tapping on the save button, you'll be able to see all of those tabs there. And then you can go to the assign product section, and then you can easily assign a product to your created outlets along with the stock for each. So now I'm back on the section that's the stores section, and I'll just edit this particular store that we had created, the physical store. And now if I tap here in the assigned product list, we'll be able to see the product that we have just assigned to this, and we had set the quantity as 89, and in stock, along with the product name and the weight. Similarly, you can make use of the product section and can add multiple products to your stores as per your own requirement. So that you just need to tap on the edit button and go to the assign product section, and from there you need to choose your store, and accordingly you can set up the stock for the same. And this option assigns this particular product to the chosen outlets, so a single product can be assigned to multiple outlets as well. Also kindly note that for example, if you're not if the customer has not selected any of the stores, and then the customer basically needs to select a store to avail the store pickup service. Otherwise he'll not be able to make the checkout. So here, as you can see, we have the option that's the please select your store for using the pickup service. We had already made the Florida one, or the other one that was there, as our store. Let's go to that section once again. So right now I've added a product into my cart, and I've not selected any store right now. So here you can see that we have the option that's the please select your store for using the pickup service. And if I tap here on that, another window comes up, and from here the customers can search the store locations, and after searching they can visit them easily, as I've already shown you. So if I enter New York, then search radius as 987 kilometers. Let's tap search store, and this brings up the filtered data along with the outlets on the Google Maps. And from here I can tap here on the make it your store as well. So let's tap here on the visit store button to get the navigation. Otherwise I can tap here on the make it your store to set this store as my store. And now if I go back to my account and let's see within the cart itself, and if I refresh this page once again, you can see that after I've tapped on the make it your store, this has been set up as our default store. So let's go back. We have the store now and the location of the same, and from here we can also check other stores as well. And here we can choose the store pickup or the home delivery. We can choose a store pickup, tap here on the I'm sorry for that, let's go back, and let me choose the store pickup and tap proceed to checkout thereafter. And on the checkout, alright, I have some issues with the items within our cart. So it's basically out of stock right now. So what I'll do is I'll just add one more product, and shop, I'll go to the shop page, and let's choose the Woo album. Now let me remove the Happy Ninja. Let me tap here on the view cart, and within the cart our store location is already selected. Store pickup is also selected. Let's proceed to checkout, and on the checkout we can see the billing details are auto-filled, as I've already logged into my customer account. And under your order section we have the details of the product and the pickup location as well. along with the total, and lastly we can choose our payment method and tap the place order to complete the same. And thereafter we can pick the product from the uh, outlet or the physical outlet nearest to the customer, and you can see that the order has been received, and the order details can be seen by the customer, the name of the product, its quantity, the total, and the pickup store from where he can pick the product, the store name, the location, and the ID of the particular store as well. Now let me add this product once again to the cart, and I just wanted to show you one more thing that I just forgot to show you. So I'll just edit the product. Let me tap here on the view cart, and uh, this option for the product that was there, that's the check other stores. If we tap on that, that will bring up the complete list of the other stores that are available, along with your along with the distance and the availability of that particular product that you've added into the cart, along with the in stock or out stock option. As you can see, for the in stock you can select that particular pickup store, and for the out of stock we don't have that particular selection option there. So if I make this particular store as my store, let me tap on that, and then when we are within the cart, as you can see right now, the store details, we also have this option to remove the store if you want to change the store. And if I tap here in the check other stores, all right now no other stores are found near our address, so that's why it's like that. Otherwise, I've already shown you how the list appears with the in stock and out of stock pickup location details as well. So now let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see the rest of the configuration settings required for this particular plugin. So here we have the backend for our WooCommerce marketplace web store, and I'll be logging into my account, and after we have logged in, we need to make some initial configurations, and for that we'll navigate through marketplace store pickup and then settings. So after the installation you'll have this particular option on the left hand side panel, and here you need to enter your Google API key, and the radius unit can be set as kilometers and miles. So the Google API key is used for automatically getting the address details and the display of the outlets on the Google map itself, and then just tap here on the save settings button. Now let's see how the admin can manage the marketplace store pickups. So for that, just go to this one and tap the marketplace store pickup, and here the admin can find all of the created outlets for himself. As you can see, the seller is admin, along with the logo, latitude, longitude and the status for each, and the admin can activate, deactivate or delete any one of them, each one one by one or in bulk as well. Apart from that, to add a new store, just tap here on the add new button, and that brings up this section wherein you have to add the store info, like the store title, the description, the contact number. You can upload the image for the store, the address of the store, and the status can be set as enabled, and then just tap here on the save store button to save a particular store, and then this particular store gets visible here within this store list. And now let's see how the admin can assign the products to the stores. For that, we'll navigate to products and then all products, and here let's edit this ship your idea product that we have, and here we'll just scroll down to the assigned option here. Let's just tap on that, and here you can assign this particular product to the stores. So you can see that this particular product is in Florida, Mexico, and the test 81 that we had already created for the vendors. So from here you can set up the store stock for at Florida, store stock at Mexico, and the store stock at test 1879. So that's how you can assign the products to your own what we say as the pickup locations or the store physical locations. Now let's go back to the marketplace store and the marketplace store pickup, and you can delete the stores as well. Let's tap here on the edit button. After edit, you can see one more tab is there, assign products. So if I tap on that, that will bring up the complete list of products that have been assigned to this particular pickup store. That's the store at New York that we have. And that was much about the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace store pickup locator plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the complete flow. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.